Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to perform a property search in the Peoria County Front Desk GIS application. The Front Desk app has property data and sales records for all of Peoria County. If it's in the public record, there's a good chance you can find it on the front desk. Our search tool can help you find information about a property, obtain tax information, and compare sales data on comparable properties from the last 5 years. Let's begin by searching for a property. You'll first click the search button on the top of your screen to open the search menu. In the search bar, you can search for a property by either typing in a parcel number or address. Let's search for a random parcel in the county. After entering the parcel number, press the Enter key to finish the search, or select a parcel number from your list of autocomplete suggestions. The app will then take you to the property and provide a list of details for it, as seen on the left here. Beyond what's displayed in this sidebar, though, there's a myriad of additional information available with these blue hyperlinks. I will highlight each of these links for this example parcel. First, let's take a look at the photos and sketches. If the assessor's office has any photos or layout sketches available for the property, they will display when you click on this link, like so. Next, let's look at the Community Info tab. This will provide a list of information about the area this property is located in, with information ranging from zoning to tax districts to representatives. This information is great if you are considering purchasing a property and would like to know more about that community. Click the heading to view additional information for each category. Going back to the search results, the sales history link will display if there are any recent sales records available for the specific property. If data is available, the sale date and price will be displayed here. In this case, the parcel was purchased once in 2019 and again in 2022. The tax information link will take you to a separate page and provide you with a variety of tax information that is publicly available, including the property's tax bill. Going back to the Front Desk app, the next link is Owner History. Clicking this will display a pop-up of every person or entity to own the selected property by year. Although this is public information, I won't click the link in this video for the sake of the owner's privacy. Next, clicking Recorder Information will take you to the Peoria County Recorder's website. On the Recorder's site, you can click Public Login to view any available documents from the County Recorder related to the searched property. Returning to the Front Desk app, the next link we will explore is the Sales Search tool. This tool allows you to view recent sales of comparable properties in the area. Let's take a look for this property. The first pop-up you'll see is an automatically generated set of search criteria based on the property that is selected. You can choose to modify the search criteria manually, but for this example, we are going to accept the default values and click Search. What appears next is a list of recently sold properties that are similar to the one you searched. You can generate a report of any of these properties by checking the checkboxes on the left. The top 3 most comparable properties will be checked by default. To generate a report of the comparable properties, click More at the top of the window. You can either export the report as a CSV file on your computer, or you can click Comparable Properties Report, which will generate the report within your web browser, which you can then print or save using your browser's built-in print feature. Finally, I will show you the Property Report link, which will automatically generate a custom property report in a new tab in your browser. This report will include the address, owner information, a parcel map, property information, recent sales information, and an image of the property if one is available in the county records. You can use your browser's built-in print feature to either print or save this report. This concludes our tutorial video. In this video, you have learned how to search a property in the Front Desk application and how to find the supplemental property information available through the app. To view more tutorial videos for our web applications, please visit the Peoria County GIS website.